In this video, we will present to you the advanced editing of the dashboard report structure. This feature enables you to customize the default report design, resize or move elements, remove or add pages, and so on. Thereby, you can enhance the report design and improve its transparency. Let's look at an example. Here is a report prepared for business overview and control. You want to send the report to external advisors, and you need a custom design for this purpose. On the created report, click on the Advanced button. This opens the report editor. Your current report includes these elements: receivable structure, payable structure, and sales by month. Using drag and drop, you can simply move these elements, or resize them. Also, you can add page breaks and additional elements to preferred places on the report. In this example, let's add a new main title to the report. After you finish editing, save the settings, and the Zeus report will print out with this design from now on. If you want to reset the report back to default settings, you can do this by clicking on the Recreate button. This way, you can redesign all your dashboard reports from now on, and prepare them according to your needs. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.